Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. In this video, my software has shown me a buy opportunity for a scalp trade, and I took a buy trade and I'm setting my take profit now. This is the account that we started with $250. As you can see, we're over $9,000. I already took a withdrawal of my $250, so I'm trading free with the market's money. Remember guys, to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to copy my trades for free, sign up with Milga Markets, the broker that I use, link in description below, and make sure that you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades for free. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram, and you'll be added to the free signal group too. And if you want to buy the course to learn how I scalp the account, to learn how I hedge my trades, because that's how I make no losses in the market even when my trade goes bad, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back into more profits in this video soon. Like, share and subscribe. And we're back. As you can see, the market went down to full dumb money. Okay, and what did I do? I added more buys into this trade. I'm going to take dumb money's money all the way to the bank. While they are selling, I was buying. When I say the market must go up, it must go up. With full dumb money into taking sales, and we'll be taking dumb money's profits into our account. Like, share and subscribe. And there you go. We're moving closer and closer into profits, taking dumb money's losses and turning it into profits. Closer and closer into profits, closer and closer into profits. Some of take profit, all the take profit has been hit. In total, we made $290 in 50 minutes scalping. The market tried to make dumb money sell, and dumb money took the baits and they were taking sells while the market was going down. I was adding more buys. This is what happens when you know how to trade the market. You're not trying to beat the market, you're not trying to fight the market, you're just simply trading how the market moves. And this is what we teach at hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to learn how to scalp like this, look at this. Today only, we've made almost $1,000 scalping. This is just some of the videos that we recorded while scalping. We started this account with $250. We're trying to get it to $10,000 profit. We've withdrawn our deposits, and we're trading free with the market's money. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with in link in description below for Milga Markets, and make sure you have at least $300 to $500 to be able to copy my trades, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you want to buy the course and also learn how to hedge out your trades, that means if the market goes bad, you're able to hedge out that trade and remove the loss so that you can grow your account faster, which is how I'm able to compound my account very fast and smooth. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the software also that comes with the course. And yeah, you can also have it on TradingView. We'll be right back with more trades in the market soon.